Hello everybody, my name is Sharif Khan. I'm studying in ICCA Davangere. Today's topic is understanding function cases in C programming. Introduction, definition of a functions in C, importance of functions in programming, overview of a four cases of function usage. Case 1. There are four cases in functions. There are four cases in function. The first case is no arguments, no return values. In C programming, a function that falls under case 1, no argument, no return value means the function does not take any input parameters. No argument means the function does not take any input parameters. No does not take any input parameters. No return value. The function does not return any values. That is, its return type it is void. Means it does not take argument. It does not return the values. Nothing. This type of function is useful when a task needs to be performed without requiring input from the caller and without producing a return value. This type of function is useful when the task need to be performed. If a task need to be performed, it is very useful for user without requiring input, without calling without calling, which it can be perform a task. Use cases: printing a message, example welcome screen menu display, performing an action like clearing the screen, displaying static information without needing inputs. Next, second case, argument but not return value. In C programming, a function that falls under case 2 is arguments but no return value means has argument. It has argument but no return value. Means a function takes one or more input parameters. It takes one or more input parameters but no return value. The function does not return any value. This type of function is useful when a task needs input values to perform an operations but does not need to return any value. Use cases: printing calculations, like example sum, average, differences, displaying formatted output based on user input, performing an action using past data. Example, storing data in a file, updating a database. Third case, in C programming, a function that falls in third case is no argument but a return value means there will be no argument, but there will be a return value. No argument that the function does not take any input parameters. Return value is the function returns a value of a specific data type. Example, int, float, or char. This type of function is useful when a function needs to perform an operations independently and return result to a caller. This function is used when a functions need to perform an operation individually, but it returns the result to the caller. Use cases: generating random numbers, getting user input and returning to its the main program, reading a value from a file and returning it, performing independent calculation, returning the result. Next, argument and return values. In C programming, a function that calls under case 4 is argument and a return value. It has argument and return value both. It has both the thing. It takes one or more input parameters. It returns the value of the specific data types. This type of function is useful when the function needs input values. Simultaneously, it needs output also means return a result to the caller also. Use cases: performing mathematical calculations like adding, subtraction, multiplication, etc. Means it needs input. Input also. In addition, we have to enter two values, and obviously output of that addition. Checking condition, returning results. Examples is prime int num. converting values, searching for a value and returning it index. Conclusion. After I will tell our conclusion. Let's check the program for it. First, in this program, first we will line check we will check line by line all the four functions. Here, the function with no argument. Let's do some little bit. Here, see functions with no argument and no return value means no argument, no return value. See here, there is no a single argument and not a single return value. Printf, hello, welcome to the function demonstration in C. That's much. No, nothing is extra is here. Second, functions with argument but no return type. There is one or more parameter, but but it will not return the value to the caller. For example, see here, uh, we have given two parameters, int a and int b, int a and int b, but no return to value. Printf sum of percentage a percentage d is percentage d backslash n a comma b and a plus b means percentage d a will print a, percentage d b, and this percentage will be a sum of that two number. Uh, in this third function, function with no arguments but a return value. See here, there is no argument. Int get number a plus nothing is there, zero. The parameters is empty. There is a block of code int num. Int num we want the value to be returned to the caller. Int num printf enter the number. Scanf percentage d ampersand number ampersand num means we have to return the value, return num. Here, in fourth case, function with argument and return value. We will multiply these two numbers. Means here we have given two parameter in this two parameters. In this parameter, we have given two arguments, and we want this two parameter to be returned to the caller by multiply. Here we are calling the functions. We are calling the functions. In this first function with no argument and no return value means there is no we cannot call the arguments. Functions calling function with no argument and no return value. We are going to call in this again calling function with arguments but no return value. We are just calling these functions random 20. Calling functions with no argument but a return value. We are without arguments but we are calling this function first we are going to take the return value of the output. Here we are going to call the function with argument and return value. Let's run the program and check the output. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Sorry. Okay, hello, welcome to function demonstration in C. uh, Sum of 10 and 20 is 30 means we have already given that. This is of we have given. Check here. Here we have given int a and b means function with argument no other value. We have given here display sum 20, 10 and 20 means we have given argument it is without no not without return value. See here we have here asking enter number and a number means 40 we enter. You enter 40, multiplication of 5 and 6 is 30. If given a 5 and 6, the multiplication of 5 and 6 is 30. Argument also we were given, and and it is returning the value of the answer of that, means return the value of the to the caller. Thank you guys for watching this video.